Presenting the 2013 Buick Verano. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include axle, 3.23 final drive ratio, front-wheel drive, alternator, 130 amps, steering, power, electric rack-mounted, brakes, 4-wheel anti-lock, 4-wheel disc 16-inch front and rear with brake assist, brake, parking, electronic, exhaust tip, chrome with oval dual wall, fog lamps, front, halogen, glass, solar absorbing and windshield, solar absorbing. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.